So how can I use these checklists? You'll have unlimited potential with these checklists, as we are also giving you PLR rights, so you can use them however you like. You can resell these checklists and keep 100% of the profit. You can give them away to your mailing list or use them to get new subscribers. Rebrand them and make them your very own. So all the hard work is done for you. Use them to create your own online products or use them in your funnel as an auto. Use them as a bonus to increase conversions in your affiliate promotions. Use them to create shareable content and post on your blog or social media. Here's what's inside IM Checklist Volume 4. 1. Choose the right network. It's vital that you select the right affiliate platform to promote products related to your niche. Choosing the wrong network could mean the difference between success and failure. 2. Abbreviations and statistics. Finally, an easy way to understand all the technical jargon you see inside affiliate platforms. Knowing what everything means is simply a requirement for you to succeed online. 3. Finding a profile niche. The key to a successful promotion is putting the right offer in front of a hungry crowd of people who are actively searching for a solution to a problem or want to improve their results. 4. Product approval. Finding products to promote as an affiliate should be a process that you follow to make sure that they are perfect for your audience, so they will thank you for your recommendations. 5. Jibzu account setup. Ensure that you set up your account correctly and provide all of the necessary information so that you receive all of your commissions and don't face any issues later on. 6. Jibzu product research. Discover the best way to find the most profitable and highest converting products on Jibzu related to your niche so that you see more sales and bigger commissions. 7. Warrior Plus account setup. Whether you just plan on affiliate marketing or also thinking of creating your own products in future, it's important you build trust and connect with your audience through your profile. 8. Warrior Plus product research. Stop wasting time promoting products that only earn you a few bucks. Use the statistics that Warrior Plus provides you to find affiliate offers that earn you $100 seconds, $1,000 seconds commissions. 9. ClickBank account setup. You'll have your ClickBank account and payment settings all set up and ready to start receiving big recurring commissions in no time with this checklist. 10. ClickBank product research. Understanding the stats and knowing how to use the filters effectively is key to finding the highest converting offers to promote for recurring monthly commissions. 11. Checking the launch calendar. If you want people to see your name on the affiliate leaderboards and you want to win big prizes during affiliate contests, then you'll definitely want to jump on board product launches. 12. Affiliate approval. Avoid your affiliate requests being denied and increase your chances of instant commissions instead of delayed commissions by requesting affiliate approval the right way. 13. Plan promotions in advance. If you want to see the best results from your promotions, then you need to take your time to set up everything from the offer to the follow-up email sequences. 14. List building with affiliate marketing. Why just build the product owner's email list when you could be building your own so that you can promote to these proven buyers again and again? 15. Promotion emails. Whether you're writing your own emails or using swipe files from the affiliate's resources page, you need to make sure these emails are carefully crafted to make the most sales during and after the launch. 16. Offering and delivering bonuses. If you want to increase the chances of someone buying through your affiliate link, then offer them incentives and bonuses that they just cannot be without. 17. Product review. Product reviews are a great way to promote any products, but they need to be structured properly and include specific points to encourage someone to click on your affiliate link. 18. Affiliate marketing. Free traffic. Without traffic, you have nothing but a great offer. You need to drive thousands of visitors to your offer where they can't wait to click that buy button, and you can do this for free. Why you need to get IM Checklist Volume 4. You'll get your hands on the exact process docs and checklists that make me thousands of dollars each week. Follow them and get the same results. You can stop wasting your time trying to figure it all out on your own. Save countless hours. Boost your income. This is the next best thing to having me sit down with you and show you how to make big money with social media. You can stop wasting your time trying to figure it all out on your own. Stay focused on getting results. Give these to your outsourced contractors or virtual assistant to make it easier than ever to outsource your online business and spend time doing the things that you want. Give these to your outsourced contractors or virtual assistant to make it easier than ever to outsource your online business and spend time doing the things that you want.